Okay, well, as if I didn't record enough videos today to begin with, I got another one. And the best part about this is I was really drunk when I made this order. Drunk and angry. So, let's give her a whiff. That is really pleasant. Okay, let's do a little unboxing. Well, first, I want to smoke some a little bit of homegrown, Colorado homegrown. I'm just gonna take a little tiny bit, put it in me pipesicle, torch her up in Colorado. Oh yeah, that's homegrown. Cheese and bacon! Can't get enough of this shit. Can't get enough of this shit. Just cannot state how amazing that stuff is. Here, I need to get rid of that. And these can go over here. Boy, I need to clean my room. What else we got? Ooh, this one I haven't had. Grapefruit. That'll be fun. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Almond toast. I'm a big fan of toast. Last toast I had was fantastic. Let's see. It's a toke. Toke natural. I'm going to see what that's all about. I do like me some natural snuffs. They are my personal favorites. Among my personal favorites. Okay, I got a bunch of stuff by Toke. Bourbon. Oh, I'm excited about this one too. A little Christmas pudding. I have no idea what that could be, but it is getting to be Christmas time, so I might save this for Christmas. Just because. It's coming up real soon. I got so much snuff I don't know what to do with. SP Extra. I heard this is a fantastic SP. I do like me a few SPs. Not all of them, or some of them are too perfumey, but seriously, I'm a Toke guy, I think. Toke seems to be my brand. There are a few other random pieces like Samuel Gallup that I'll fuck with, but this will be fun. Cherry menthol. Oh, that's going to be fun. That's going to be fun indeed. Oh, I got so much Toke in here. Apricot. Hey, a little apricot. Little fruity. That should be nice. Ooh, I got a McCrystal's assorted. Wow, I really went all out this time, Ryan. Way to go, drunk Ryan. Way to go, drunk Ryan. I don't remember making this order. This was kind of a surprise. I checked the mail today because my mom wanted her package, and both of our packages were in the mail. Those are cool. What's this down here? Afghan white. Afghan white snuff. This is a huge tin of it. I'll probably do that for a special. This stuff comes from Kanchacha, Afghan. I've been to Afghanistan, so I've been to Afghanistan twice. This will be very, very cool. Way to go, drunk Ryan! Yes, I scored. How much did I pay for this shit? There's still more in this bag. How much did I pay? Doesn't tell me what I paid. Don't know. But the last I bought 2 bullets. Camphor and clove, I guess. I don't know what I was thinking with that. That could be cool. Camphor and clove. Got a little reusable bullet. And a blueberry menthol. So, blueberry menthol sounds real nice. Let's go ahead and do that. Since it's right here and available. Get out of here. So, as far as I understand, this one's see-through, so you can see what's going on. You have the little knob, and you want the teardrop point to stick up always, because that indicates where the cup is. And so what you do is you grab it by that, and the snuff's down here, and I'm going to load this bowl with snuff by flipping it upside down. Give it a little tap, tap, tap. And then tilt it back the other way. And then I should be able to, in theory, do I have to, I don't know if I did it right. Upside down. Do I have to open it? It's not working. Oh, there it is. There it is. I just didn't breathe it in enough. That's pretty cool. Toke blueberry. Blueberry menthol. It's nice. Blueberry. Not too mentholy. Oh, I actually pulled it out. That's why. This little knob pulls out. You can pull it out that way, and that's what I was doing. So you gotta make sure it's kind of fun to play with this thing. I can get carried away with this. But I'm feeling like it doesn't quite give me as much snuff as I would like. But I work at a machine shop, so let me pull this out and see if I can. Oh yeah, all I'd have to do is just bore that hole out at work, and I'd have a masterfully sized pinch of snuff. Put it back in. It's got an O-ring in there. Yeah, not too bad. I like it. I like it a lot. So I have a lot to review. Later.